Hello, teacher.
Hello, Doc. Happy New
Hello,
Year.
teacher. Happy
Happy
New Year,
New Year.
teacher.
Happy... Honey, did you go to the hometown?
Yes.
Wow. What did you do there? Did
I
you
talk
go to your grandma's
back
house?
and I talking with my cousin
Ooh.
brother and my cousin sister.
Oh, I see. Okay, so you traveled there yesterday, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, okay. That's really great to hear, honey. Are you happy that it's already 2026, honey?
I-
Okay, teacher's going to change the background, honey. 2026. Honey, did you eat a lot of food last New Year's Eve?
Yes.
Wow! What are the foods that you've eaten?
I eat chicken and
Oh,
rice and meat and egg.
wow! You've ate a lot of food. Me, I ate barbecue and then I ate chicken and then meat and spaghetti and then pizza too.
Oh.
I also ate pizza, honey. My mom cooked I mean my mom cooked spaghetti, honey, but I bought some pizza. Did you eat some pizza too?
Yes. And my
Oh,
brother and me in kitchen and cook. I
you
cook chicken and rice, and my brother cook meat and meat and spaghetti.
wow. So you were very, very happy on the New Year's Eve, honey. And then you went to the hometown. Whoa. Okay, me, I went to the beach too, huh? I went to the
Ooh.
beach too. Yes. Did you go to the beach?
Yes,
Whoa.
and I drink coconut.
Coconut. Wow. That's very yummy. Okay. Anyway, honey, happy new year. I hope that you will still be my student this coming 2026, honey, the whole 2026. Okay, my dear.
Okay.
Teacher is now going to share the screen and we are going to continue with our lesson. Okay? You
Okay.
ready?
Okay.
Okay, so now teacher's going to share the screen, huh?
Okay.
Can you see teacher's screen now? Can you see
Yeah.
it? Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
honey, you are going to make a story again. Okay? You are going to make a story again. And here, this picture tells a story and it's called Peter in a Film. Okay, the story is called, hold on. The story Peter in a Film.
Câu chuyện có tựa đề là Peter trong một bộ phim.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you ready now, honey, to make a story? Are you ready to make a story?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, anyway, honey, let's have this one right here. Okay, you have to look at the picture, honey. Peter is walking home. He can see a woman. Okay, this is the first picture, honey. Okay, this is the first picture. This is Peter. This one is Peter, okay? All right, hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, that one is Peter. How do I? Okay, teacher's going to translate it. Dong, 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 dong. Okay. So, Peter is walking home. He can see a woman with some heavy bags.
Peter đang đi bộ về nhà thì nhìn thấy một người phụ nữ đang xách những chiếc túi nặng.
Okay? So, next one, honey. There are some people making a film of a woman, but Peter doesn't see them.
Có một số người đang làm phim về một người phụ nữ nhưng Peter không nhìn thấy họ.
Okay, honey? Yeah.
Yes.
Peter is walking home and he can see a woman. And there are some people making a film, but Peter didn't see them. Now you're going to make or to continue the story. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm
Yes,
ready.
I am. Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to the second picture, honey. Kindly tell what's happening in the second picture. What is happening in the second picture, honey? Look. Take a look.
It is next to that, the
Mhm.
woman see a bag, a bag, and Peter see a banana, milk, a pineapple, and a box are outside a box, outside a bag, and he going. He see that and run and say, "Can I help you?"
Yes, very good. Honey, did the woman's bag fell? Huh? Did it fell?
Yeah.
Túi xách của người phụ
The
nữ
woman.
có bị rơi không?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, we're going to have picture 2 here. Let's write picture 2. Okay, this will be for picture 2. Okay. The woman's bag fell. And Peter saw it. There, okay, the things inside the woman's bag are on the floor. And Peter asked, "May I help you?" Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Here.
2. Chiếc túi của người phụ nữ rơi xuống và Phêrô nhìn thấy những thứ bên trong túi của người phụ nữ nằm rải rác trên sàn nhà và Phêrô hỏi, tôi có thể giúp gì cho bà?
Okay? Okay, honey?
Okay.
Get it now? Okay. So now let's move forward to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Hold on.
And then he
Okay.
wake up and holding a milk and throw in the bag and the woman are fun.
Ah, okay. Yes, that's right, honey. But you say, Peter picks up the woman's things on the floor. And the woman was laughing. And the woman is laughing. Yeah. Okay, let us translate that one.
3. Peter nhặt đồ của người phụ nữ trên sàn lên và người phụ nữ bật cười.
Okay? Yeah?
Yes.
Is it correct,
Yes.
honey? Yes. Now let's have the next one,
Okay.
honey. Picture
Let's
3.
do that. Let's do that.
Picture
The
4. Picture
people
4, honey.
are- Let's do that. The people are fun and the women are sad. He are good.
Very good. Okay. 4. Next to that, the people filming the woman are very happy and they laughed. The woman said, and they are laughing. The woman said, you are a good boy. The woman said to Peter,
You are good boy.
yeah, you are a good boy.
Boy.
Oh, yeah, that is it, honey. Let's translate that to this.
4. Bên cạnh đó, những người quay phim người phụ nữ trông rất vui vẻ và họ đang cười. Người phụ nữ nói với Peter, cháu là một cậu bé ngoan.
Yeah. Okay, now, how about the last picture, huh? Let us have the last picture. What's happening in the last picture, honey?
Next to that, the pizza is sitting on back and the woman are and the woman holding a bag too. They are fun and the people next to are fun.
Okay. So number 5, honey. They are filming. Okay. Lastly, the people are filming both Peter and the woman. Okay. And Peter is now part of the film. Okay, let's translate that.
5. Cuối cùng, mọi người đang quay phim cả Peter và người phụ nữ, và Peter không phải là một phần của bộ phim.
Okay? That is it. Okay, now, honey, please read the second part, honey. Kindly read number 2.
The woman is backfilled and Peter said it's the thing in that the woman is back
Honey, you say woman's, not woman is. Woman's.
Woman's back are on the foot and Peter say, may I help you?
Very good. Okay, honey. Peter asked. One more time. Yeah. Okay, number 3.
Peter picked up the woman eating on the foot and the woman is laughing.
Honey, you remember, this one is not woman is. This one is woman's. Woman. Yeah, okay. Woman's thing. This one is thing. With S. Woman's things. Things.
Thanks.
Okay, and this one, the last one, honey, is laughing. Laughing.
Laughing.
Yeah.
Laughing.
Yeah, it is laughing or
cười,
cười. Laughing, okay?
The people
Yeah.
with him, the woman, are very happy and they are laughing.
Laughing. Very
The
good.
woman said to Peter, "You are a good boy."
Very good. Okay. And lastly, honey, lastly.
The people are good film, both Peter and the woman. And Peter is not part of the film.
Very good. That is it, honey. Great job, Wong. You successfully you successfully made or created the whole story. Now, Hong, I have a question for you. If you are Peter,
Yes,
are you also going to help the woman?
yes. I am really good friend.
Oh, you are really a good friend, really?
Yes.
So what if you are Peter? This is Hong. Okay, this is Hong, and then this is also the woman, honey. And you see that all of the things of the woman, honey, are on the ground. Are you going to help the woman?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
And the pen too.
Oh.
The pen, the brother too.
You want to be filmed too?
Yeah.
You want to be in the film? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. I see, honey. Great job. Do you help old people, huh? Do you help old people?
Yeah.
Okay, that is great to hear. Anyway, honey, let's move forward to the next one. Okay, let's have these questions, honey. Question number 1. Has the woman's bag broken, honey?
Yes.
Very good. You say the woman's bag
The woman
is broken.
is broken.
Very good. Number 2. What's Peter doing now? What is Peter doing in the first picture? Peter
He is walking.
very good. You say Peter is walking.
He is walking.
Peter is walking.
Peter
Okay.
is walking.
Very good. Number 3. Who can Peter see now? Who can Peter see now? He can see the?
Can see the woman.
Yeah, very good. Number 4. Is Peter in the film? Is Peter in the film, honey?
No.
Huh? But anyone, like a lot of people are filming, honey. A lot of people are filming. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so Peter is in the film. One more time.
Peter is in the field.
Very good. Next, what is he doing in the last picture? What is he doing in the last picture?
With a woman.
Very good. So he helped the woman in the last picture. Okay? Thank you so much, honey. Now let's move forward to the next one. I want you to read the suggested answer, honey. Please read.
The woman had her backpack and then he had fell on the road Peter and he woman and now each looking Peter can see the film people now. They are they are laughing too. Peter is in the film. He can market, the woman shopping.
Okay, very good, honey. That is it. Now, let's move for, okay, we are already done with the flyers test 1, honey. We are done with the flyers test 1. Now, we are going to have the flyers 2. Okay, we're now going to have, yeah, the flyer speaking 2. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, you say, yes, I am, teacher.
Yes, I am teacher.
Very good. Okay, now let's have this one, honey. Let's have this one. So these questions are for Hung. These questions are all made for you, honey. You're going to answer this, okay? Question number 1, honey. Do you like holidays, Hung? Do you like holidays? Holidays, honey. This is holidays. Holidays. It's
Ngày lễ,
ngày lễ. Yes. How do you say? Very good. You say, yes, I like holidays.
Yes, I like holiday.
Very good. What do you often do on holidays, honey? Or what do you often do on ngày lễ?
I go to beach, go to plane, go to the mall and
Wow.
anything.
Wow, very good.
Holiday.
Okay, on holidays. Very good, honey. Now, how about this? Let's have this one, honey. You are going to find the differences, honey. You are going to find the differences. Encircle the differences. Okay, done? Now.
No.
Not yet. Okay.
Done.
Very good, honey. Great job. Okay. Now, teacher's going to erase this one first. Let's have this one, honey. This. Okay, let's have picture 1 first, honey. Let's have picture 1 first, okay? Okay, now let's have picture 1.
There are 3 people in the. There are 3 people in the.
6, honey. 6. There
There
are
are
6.
6 people sitting on the beach. But in picture 2,
On the
there
table,
are
honey. Wait. Yes, sitting in front of the beach. Honey, in front of the beach. Okay, in picture 1, there are 6 people
picture 1, there are 6 people. There
sitting.
are 4 people eating. But in picture 2, there are 6 people eating.
Okay, honey. In picture 1, there are 6 people sitting in front of the beach. But in picture 2, there are 4.
There are 4 people sitting
In front of
in front of
the beach.
the beach.
Yes, very good. Okay, next one. This and this. Let's go. 2.
In picture 2, the man is is
The man
This
caught
picture-
a
the man caught a fish small, but
big
picture two,
fish.
the man caught the
Huh?
fish big.
Huh? Honey, this one is picture 1. This one is picture 1. Hold on. This one is picture 1. Picture 1. This one is picture 2. Okay?
Huh?
Yeah, this one is picture 1. This one is picture 2. So you say, in picture 2, the man caught a big fish, but in in picture in picture 1, the man caught a big fish, but in picture 2,
The picture two, the man caught the
caught a
fish, caught the big
Small.
fish.
small fish. Okay, in picture 1, the man caught a big fish, but in picture 2, the man caught
The
a
man
small
caught
fish.
a small fish.
Very good. Okay, now let's have this one, honey. What is the color of the boat in picture 1?
In picture one, the color of the boat is red and blue, but in picture two, the color of the boat is blue and white.
Okay, red and blue. But in picture 2, picture 2, the boat is blue and white. Honey, look, what is the color of the spider in picture 1? And in picture 2?
Picture one, the spider have a yellow color, but in picture two, the spider have a black color.
Honey, you say,
Black.
in picture 1, the spider is yellow.
In picture one, the spider are yellow.
Is yellow.
It's
yellow.
yellow.
But in picture 2,
But in picture two,
the spider
color
is
a spider is
black.
black.
Okay, that is it, honey. Next, let's move forward to number 5. Here, a girl here and a girl here. What is the girl doing in picture 1 and in picture 2?
In picture one, the woman are
The woman
sitting. The woman are sitting.
Honey, is.
It is sitting.
On the
But in picture
the
two,
rock.
the woman are. But in picture two, the woman are stand up.
Honey, how many women is standing up? It is only one, right? So you're not going to use are, but is. Okay?
Is.
Okay? Yeah. Picture 1, the woman is sitting on the rock. But in picture 2, the woman is standing.
Standing.
On the
rock.
Very good. Now, honey, look at the short. The shorts of the woman, honey. What's the color of the shorts of the woman in picture 1 and in picture 2?
In picture 1, the color of the shark are.
Honey, wait. You say, in picture 1, the woman's shorts, okay?
In picture 1, the woman's shorts
Yes.
are green, but in picture 2, the woman's shorts are pink.
Very good. Picture 2. Very good, huh? Picture 2. Picture 2. The woman's shorts are pink. Okay, very good, honey. Great job. Very good, Hong. Okay, next one. Else. Okay, let's have this and this. Let's go.
Picture one. In picture one, the
There
man
is
there is
a man.
there is one man. There is one man in the
Coconut
there is
tree.
in the coconut tree.
Very good. Okay, but in picture two,
But in picture two, the wolf
there is
there one there is a monkey on the tree coconut.
in the coconut tree.
In the coconut tree.
Very good, Hong. Great job, Hong. Okay, next one. How about this and this? Let's have number 8.
In picture one, there are there
There
is
is
a rainbow on the sky, but in picture two,
in the sky.
there is a sun on the sky.
Yeah, honey, but it's not on, it's in. Okay? Picture 1, there is a rainbow in the sky. But in picture 2, there is a sun. Okay, let's have number 9. Let's have this and this. Let's go.
In picture one,
1.
there
There
is a
mountain.
I don't know what it is.
Mountain.
There is a mountain, but in picture two, there is not a mountain.
There is no mountain.
There is no a mountain.
No a mountain, honey. No mountain. One more time. There is no mountain.
There is no mountain.
Very good, very good. Picture 1, there is a mountain, but in picture 2, there is no mountain.
There is no mountain.
Very good. Okay, now let's read your answers, honey. You ready? Let's read your answers, okay? All right. Let's have number 1.
In picture
1.
In picture one, there are 6 people sitting in
front.
in the front.
In front.
But
in front of the
picture
beach.
In front of the beach.
But in picture 2.
But in picture 2.
There are 4.
But in picture 2, there are 4
people.
Sitting
in front of the beach. Okay, number 2. In picture 1.
But in picture 1, the man
caught
in bad fish, but in picture 2, the man
caught.
The
man caught a small fish. Number 3.
The man caught the small fish.
Okay, 3. In picture 1. Hung, free.
In picture one, in picture one, in
What?
picture one, the
The
boat
boat
is red, but red
blue.
and blue. But in picture two, the boat is blue and white.
Very good. 4. 4, honey. Read.
Okay. In picture one, the spider is yellow, but in picture two, the spider is black.
Very good. 5.
In picture one, the woman is sitting on the rock, but in picture two, the woman is
Standing.
standing on the rock.
Very good. 6.
In picture one, the woman is
The woman's
Is-
shorts are
the woman short and green, but in picture two, the woman is
honey,
short
the
and
woman's. Honey, this one is not woman is. It's a woman's.
short and
Pink.
pink. The
7.
woman short and pink.
7.
7. In picture one, there is one man in the coconut tree, but in picture two, there is a monkey in the coconut tree.
Very good. Number 8.
In picture one, there is a rock
Rainbow.
in the sky, but in picture two,
There is a
there is sun in the sky.
very good. 9.
No. In picture one, there is a mountain, but in picture two, there is no mountain.
Very good. Great job, honey. That is it. You successfully differentiated all the picture 1 and picture 2, honey. Very good, Now, let's have this one, honey. Please read this one. Kindly read, honey.
It is bitter. I don't know. Cut out bitter, but you do sound good to us. You're some waxing.
Honey, this one, you read this one as anything.
Anything
This one is about.
about
This one is going.
going.
And this one is questions.
Question.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so I'm going to ask you anything about Peter, honey, okay? So let's have question number 1, honey. Is Peter married, huh? Is Peter married?
Yes.
Yes, Peter is married. One more time.
Yes. Peter is married.
Yeah, very good. Peter is married. Number 2. Is Peter short? Is Peter short?
No.
No, Peter is. Oh, honey,
No, Peter.
we don't
Yeah.
have enough time anymore. Thank you so much, my dear, for your time. We just have seconds left.